Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is July the 18th, 2020. I'm going to give you all a very quick video on XRP. If you guys been watching us and watching our daily videos about XRP, we've been pinpointing precisely where this market trapper is going to take the value of XRP. So it's not a surprise to see that our market forecast from July the 14th, 2020 actually came and passed. So we're going to update you all on the next price movement that we're expecting the market trapper to do in XRP. Now, before I get started, if this is your first time watching our video, man, before I go, I will be remiss if I do not tell you to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and then share the video to anyone and everyone that you may feel would benefit from the price forecast that we are predicting in the cryptocurrency space. We're not here to confuse you. We're not here to talk this very technical jargon that so many other people try to get you into thinking that they are experts, because this field, reading price charts, is not hard to understand. It doesn't take many indicators on your price chart just to get a hint of where the market is likely to go. So make sure you all do that, and then join us on our new community on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to participate in our growing community of individuals who wants to see forecasting done the simple way. All right, so let's talk. Here you guys can see that on July the 14th is when we last did our video for this cryptocurrency XRP, and we expected some weakness. Now, generally the market the next day after we did our video just did some sideways trading action. But bam, right there on the 16th of July is when the market came and tagged our ultimate area TP. So you guys can see it, 3.71% profitability in that movement to the downside that we forecast. Now let's get rid of it, because that is old news. So let's talk about the market action in XRP. Now, two positive things I'm going to tell you right off the rip is 19 cents and then 19.5 cents being support. So over the last 3 days, we have seen the market trapper break and hold support at 19 cents, and then it broke restriction. Now it's going to act as support at 19.5. Two positive things. So you guys can tell that we maintained a very hard restriction area around 20.5 cents. Now, based off the market action today in XRP, this is what we're seeing. You see how the market was just really trading in this very tight range back here in the background. Expect that to try to occur again right now. So we got the market restriction in XRP at 20.5 cents. That's literally where I'm expecting a trap to try to bring XRP relatively soon. Let's take a look at XRP on the 4-hour chart. So here we are looking at XRP on the 4-hour chart. I don't see that much weakness really being placated of late over the last couple of 4 hours. Now the market did tag 0.202 right now. It tagged it there, and it was acting as restriction in XRP here in the background too. So it's not a surprise to see the market in XRP actually finding sellers coming in around 0.202. That is not surprising. Looking at XRP on the weekly, the market can literally go either way, because we're getting a probable precursors of strength in XRP. Now we got one more day, a day about 5 hours before this weekly price bar concludes, and it doesn't look that dramatic. The market has already accomplished holding 19 cents for support, just like it did here previously in the background. The volume is currently reflecting light volume. So all the volume, all the selling that came in last week, it is showing that it has been evaporated or is gone. So yeah, long term we're looking pretty good to see XRP at least maintain consolidational trading. And I will tell you that 19 cents all the way back up to towards 21 cents is that consolidational range from a weekly basis. Okay, so let's check this out once again on the daily. Like I said, we're going to continue to play a little bit of strength into the market for XRP, and I'm going to get rid of this line here because the market is not playing active alongside of it. But once we come back up to that area, we'll create another one. But we're going to keep this line here. Okay, so we're going to play this movement in XRP. So it's only a 2%, 2.25% market movement in XRP to be forecast, right? So generally, we're still eyeing the market in XRP to continue to see some higher price. But again, what I've shown you on the 4-hour chart is that the market weakness already came in at 0.02. So that is going to be a linchpin in our forecast in the initial stage. Okay, but so long as we do not break 19 cents or even 19.5 cents to where we got our ultimate support, we're good. Okay, so this is it. This is relatively simple to see, simple to understand. We're definitely not here to give you all any confusion, but rather want to show you the simplistic form of forecasting where the market trapper is likely to take the value of XRP. So again, if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our channel, join us on all of our other social media platforms, specifically Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and then on our own website to where we're building a community of individuals who would like to be ahead of the game. And that's what we're doing. We give you guys a heads up as to the expectation of where the trap is trying to take XRP. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll talk to you all on the next one.